All right, here we go with number one, 3/4 time signature. 1 and a 2 and 3 E and 1 and a 2 and 3 E and 1 and a 2 and 3 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 and let's do 90. 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. All right, down picking next. So number 2 here, everything is palm muted except the quarter notes at the end of each bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. Let's do 160. I'll do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 3. So the first and last chord of each bar not palm muted. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. covers it as far as this goes. So the chord stuff, remember the big thing that we're practicing here is the idea. Whoops, that's not going. Come on. Oh my God. There. Yes, the big thing practicing here is practicing going from the power chord into the first inversion, but also seeing that all you're doing is moving that one thing. These two notes, they stay the same. So for the major chords, you always move up the root note, the bass note. Major chords go up a major third, so a step and a half. Minor chords go up a step and a half, so a minor third apart. Same thing for the diminished. You got to start with the flat 5 chord, but then you go up a step and a half to get that one. But those other two notes, they don't move. Top two notes, they don't change. So when you're doing this, you got to think, okay, what's the major chord? You're going to go up 2 whole steps, and the rest stays the same. So that doesn't move. Minor chord, again, those two notes, they don't move. Diminished chord, these notes, they do not move. So the shape obviously looks a little bit different up here. So like you're doing your major chord, those two notes do not move, but you got to go boop, boop, 2 whole steps up. It's a minor chord. Those two notes do not move. This one, you got to go boom, boom, up there to 10. So it's 7, 9, 10. Step and a half. And then the diminished chord, got to start with the diminished 5th chord, or the flat 5 power chord. That root note's got to go up a step and a half. So from 9 up to 12. Those notes, they don't move. I'm trying to hold those with the same fingers. That's very uncomfortable. But yeah, those notes, they stay there. Same thing up here, of course. So you got your power chord. I'm borrowing out the pinky. That stays there. Those two notes, they do not move. So you got to take the 5 up to 7 and 9. So you're going 5, 7, 9 like that. So 2 whole steps up. Those two notes stay the same. And then for the minor chord stuff, like your A minor, or you go to the A5 here, and then you're going to do the inversion. That goes up a step and a half. So really, you're just barring like that. First, I'm going to do it this way. And then the diminished, whoops, your flat 5 power chord, that's got to go up a step and a half. Those two notes do not move. So just remember that when you're working through the rest of those, because you want to practice keeping it as simple as possible. If you always look at what are all the notes involved every single time, you can, but it's not the fastest way. I'd rather know the fastest way to get to what I want, and then I can explain what it is after the fact, versus explaining what it is to build it every single time versus just getting to it. When you know how to get to it, just get to it. Then you can explain it later. So practice doing it the fast way. All right. Any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again next week.